To remove attack from your body, you need jatropha leaf 7 pieces and you need 1 egg. Put jatropha leaf 4 in this pot. Put 4 in the pot. 4. So you now put 1 egg on top of this 4. Then use the other one like this, cover it. Cover it and cover it. So do not add water. Put it on the fire for 15 minutes. When it is boiled, remove the egg. Remove the egg. Return back the leaf. Peel this egg. Put all the shell in this leaf and you burn it to a powder. Powder it after you are burning. After you burn it, powder it very well. So this egg, you are going to eat it. So the powder, put it in water and use it to wash every part of your body that very day. So it's very good. It's confirmed back to sender and to remove spiritual attack from your